Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to develop simple Python code and execute it in Windows OS. First, in order to execute a Python code in Windows OS, we have to install Python. If you are new and then if you haven't installed Python in your Windows OS, then please check this link for steps and installation guide. Using this link, you should be able to install Python in your Windows OS. Without the installation, we will not be able to execute the Python script. So check the video description where I have shared my blog post. From the blog post, you should be able to get this sample the link, so that you can follow the steps and guidelines to install Python in your Windows OS. Next, create a simple file with the following code. You can use any text editor. I used Notepad++. You can also use just Notepad and create a file with the extension .py. Please make sure you are not creating the file with the extension txt. The extension of the file should be .py. So once you create a text file with this content, you can use your command prompt, and I stored this particular code in a Notepad++ file with the extension .py, and I stored it on my desktop. So in your command prompt, navigate to your desktop folder or the folder where you stored, and then use py space the file name .py. If you use this extension, it will execute the code that was inside that file. The code is from Python script, so you can execute that Python script from your Windows OS. Please check the video description. In the video description, I have shared my blog post. From the blog post, you should be able to get the sample code and the link we referenced in this video. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.